Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps of customizing your Social Links widget. Let's get started! First, open the Common Ninja editor. Once you're in, head over to the Look and Feel section. Here you'll find the Style section where the magic happens. You can choose a unique color for each button or keep them all the same. It's totally up to you. Adjust the size of your buttons to fit your design perfectly. You can also tweak the button border radius to make it more or less round and customize the gap between each button to get the right look. And that's it! With just a few simple adjustments, your Social Links widget can look exactly how you want it to. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more insightful content. Thanks for watching!